In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cheat at Pumpfun, which is one of the tools that help you to launch a coin with only $2. And a lot of people are shopping around on this page to know which coin they should invest in. Well, I'm going to show you how we can fake everything here with this program that we built. To understand how we can take advantage of a game, we need to understand the rule of the game. So for example, if I reply to a comment here, I can type lol. Post reply, it says connect your wallet to post. Then I'm going to connect my wallet. Once I sign the message, it confirms my wallet. Okay, we get handsome connected here. Close. And then I can post a reply, lol. Okay, so we know that we need a wallet to be able to comment and that the interaction will be done on chain to validate with the wallet. So what if I created 1,000 wallets and have multiple message and all those message going to comment on every Pumpfun? Look at that. This one, for example, those one are fake comments that I just did with brand new profile. Well, this is what we are going to see in this video.
By the way, welcome on Handsome Finance, where we study what's happening on chain because the blockchain is an open ledger, so we can see all the transactions, who made money, who lost money, for those that made money, but also we can see all the rules that happen on this blockchain, and we can use the rule to our own advantage. So don't forget to put on your little matcha, and let's get to it.
Let's try out our tool. First, I'm going to say the random wallet comments. How many comments I want to leave? Let's say 10 for now. Every 2.5 seconds, so we don't trigger too many things from the website. The target mint. Let's shop around for one Pumpfun project that we are going to chill. I don't know. This one is King of the Hill. It was launched with a bundle, as I can see here. So this is not a legitimate launch on Pumpfun. And then they put, okay, prepared for DEX. And that's funny. Like you will see in another video, I showed exactly how a bundler works. One guy see it, that it's a scam. Good job. Let me find another one because this guy is stupid. He used the old version of a bundler, not the one we do at Infinity Script. That one ends up with pump. We get Adderall. Okay, why not this one? Here, I copy the contract address, pasting it here. The contract address of a token is just like the serial number of that token. Let's enter. Starting the comment bot, sign in successfully. So we see comment, I will pay for DEX. Comment lets the GTS go and stop Pokemon. Let's see, let's see our token that did not have any replies. And there we can see all the comments arriving. So I'm sorry for anyone who see this token and don't understand the rules and is not subscribed to Handsome Finance. If you don't click on the notification bell, you don't know what's happening under the hood. And before people say, oh, you're showing to other people how to, trust me, I'm doing it because already people were doing it and we have this script since a while. Look at all the comments. This is going to send. There you go. We got our 10 comments were posted. This is perfect. By the way, the developer, I think, sold and left here. No one is on it.
But we would be stupid if we stop here, because propaganda can be used for two ways. To glorify someone like Handsome Finance, but also to point down on someone and throw rocks.
So what if I use my comment bots, but for another intention? That's why I changed the files where I generate all my comments with something that will take down the project, because I had been accused of funding project and get paid for it. And let's shop for which project we are going to fund. I would like to fund this one and that one and that one and that one. I would like to fund a lot of them. Instead, you know what? I'm going to fund a Chinese token, this one. And trust me, if I have this tab open, it's not because I want to look at pictures of me, but because we are going to do something quite evil in the minute. By the way, good job on the bundling here. Launch, people don't know how to recognize a bundler. They don't have the nice bundler and got dumped on everything. Let's run it on our token. We can see the comments starting to arrive from here. And our token here only had 4 comments. Let's check it now. We see it running. That's perfect. But this is not where I want to stop. I still have 2 experiments to do with you guys. I'm going to run as well some positive comments on my token. Yes, because the crypto world is bipolar. So we have some chill comment and some fun comment at the same time. That's perfect. I can just run both of them. But now that I unlock this, we want to activate the other thing. Because I found a way to comment massively on everything on Pumpfun, well, my next step is going to be to let know everyone who is on Pumpfun about my project, because what I do, I think is better. But wait.
I did not invent anything. This already existed in the dating market. People buying fake comments on Instagram, fake likes, fake followers, anything. Why? Because as human, we care about what other humans think. And then we get influenced.
I mean, the only thing I get influenced by is the blockchain and building tools to use the blockchain to my own advantage. Let's stop the program right here. We did enough. So to do the chill, my tool is going to take all the tokens that get created. I would like to mention that I'm still the person with the highest amount of followers on Pumpfun, but also the most handsome developer. And because we have this little functionality here, optional, to post a picture, I'm going to use it. Look at that. Beautiful. So what if I decided to spam Pumpfun today with my six-pack? Well, that's perfect because the script can do this and I put the picture in it. Let's try our chill bot. So we're going to put like what? 200 comments? More like 2,000. What's the time frame? We're going to put every 2,000 seconds. Random wallets. Should be fine. Starting the chill mode. Start to see. Let's see if the comment worked. This is a popular coin. We got it here. And some finance was here. But apparently I did an error in my image folder. So let me fix that. Now it's repaired. So this should be working. Perfect. I really apologize for the people where I commented before without the image. It's beautiful. Pumpfun is gonna be crazy today. What do we have? Let's see this one. We got a rise token that went up and down. Oh god, it's good to have fun. I know some people are gonna be so mad when they see this video, but this is so funny to me. Like what I love is I will even post with typo. Look at that, this one. Now he's posting too fast. We got focus. Flying, this one. Flying. Someone just commented after this, they saw that. Oh god. This is the space I want to be in. I will put a link in the description if you want to get that script.
And any games you played, maybe you used cheat code one time, then I have to blame you. No, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, there's something more important. Another tool that literally can make or break anything on Pumpfun. And I talked about it in this video because we saw a lot of the launches that were made on Pumpfun now that use this tool, but they use an older version. That's why they're not as good. So check it out. And don't forget one thing. It's not your keys for your home, which is always good, but also, yes, I know it's hard. Stay handsome. Ciao.